Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lacey Elizabeth, and I'm so excited because my live video the other night went so well. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for tuning into that. I'm so happy that it went amazingly well. At first, I was terribly nervous, but you guys, I calmed down right away as soon as you guys started logging on. And, you know, we just started having like these amazing conversations. Like, I think it went so well. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. Remember guys, I've got this huge, amazing holiday giveaway. So if you guys want to take part in this amazing holiday giveaway and win one of these amazing Artis brush sets, you gotta keep watching. Look for that word of the day and send me all 12 words of the day by December 31st and you'll be entered to win. Okay guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about this brand new product right here from Miss Bobbi Brown herself. Yes, brand new Bobbi Brown. Love that. So if you guys want to see how this applies and builds, keep watching. Alright guys, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to be playing with this amazing Bobbi Brown foundation. This says this is an intensive skin serum foundation with SPF 40. This also says it will unveil your most radiant luminous skin. Okay, big claims, big claims. This also says it was formulated with natural ingredients such as lychee, bamboo, and apple, as well as some other things. So it sounds really nourishing, like I'm not gonna lie. It sounds actually really good, and I'm excited to use it. I don't normally go for a foundation with SPF, especially one with 40 SPF, but then again, I don't usually wear an SPF in my moisturizer either, so I know I should. And definitely you should, but I usually add that step in, you know, separately, so we're not doing that today. I usually do that off camera as well, but okay, today I just went in with my ordinary moisturizer and, you know, we did that whole thing with the hyaluronic acid. You guys know my routine. I'm loving it right now. My skin is so luminous and nourished and I love it. So, you know, guys, if you want to see that, follow me in another video. Okay, so this says for application, apply to moisturized skin. We've done that step off camera. Says using a foundation brush, sponge, or fingertips for best results. Shake bottle before applying. So let's unbox this. I picked up shade Warm Ivory WO26. This one right here. Okay, don't need that. This is it. This is glass. This is really nice glass. And it has weight to it. The packaging is stunning for a foundation bottle. I'm super impressed. So this says, shake bottle well before applying. So we're gonna do that, shake that up. It seems really liquidy in the bottle. I can hear it kind of slushing, so I mean, I do assume it's going to be a more lightwear foundation, but we're going to see. Okay, let's twist off this lid. Oh, okay. It is a pull top, and it's got a pump. There's some pump action going on there. All right, I've got my handy dandy MAC palette, which I love, totally love, and I'm going to pump this out. So that is 3 pumps right there. So it's liquidy enough. Alright, this is a brand new foundation for me. Let's tuck the hair behind the ears. I'm totally enjoying this brand new haircut, loving it. I've got a dampened beauty sponge right here. And I'm just going to tap into my foundation right here. And I'm just going to start applying. Okay, it's very sheer as a first impressions. There's a small standard Bobbi Brown, very clean scent to it, but it's not scented. It's just that standard Bobbi Brown clean scent. Okay, so far, I mean, I'm still tapping this in. It's very sheer. It's very pretty. I'm not getting much coverage. I'm gonna obviously go in probably with a brush and see how this builds. Like, it's definitely glowy and luminous. Like, I'm getting that on camera, I'm getting it here in my mirror. But for coverage, you know me, guys, I'm more bougie than that. I need more coverage. I'm gonna go in, see how this builds. I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics number 2 foundation brush, this guy right here. I'm going to take 3 more pumps of foundation. 1, 2, 3. So I've got my 3 pumps. My foundation brush. Load that puppy up. And I'm gonna tap this into the skin, trying to build up this foundation. You guys know how I feel about scented products, right? Like, I'm not into it. The Bobbi Brown stuff, I don't mind because it's just very clean. It's not heavily fragranced. It's a very natural scent. Gives me, like, I don't know, like camping vibes in a way. Like foresty, clean, like beachy. I like it. Okay, for a shade match, I think it's stunning. This is giving me glowing, dewy, luminous, you know, this is giving me that fresh face vibe. I'm gonna powder and conceal. So far, I kind of love it for a very natural looking look, but you know what? You guys know how I feel. I like a little bit more full coverage, right? So I'm just gonna go in. The parts that are bothering me are obviously my under eye area and a little bit on my nose and on my chin, which is the parts that I probably heavily conceal more than anything. So I'm gonna go in, add my concealer, and tap that out. But for a base, like, this is kind of, you know, really nice, like really, really nice. I'm just going to apply this under the eyes. What I love about this concealer is that it conceals and it's stunning and beautiful. And honestly, if you wanted to honestly put this all over your face as a foundation, you probably could. But this is just stunning, beautiful, you know, and it gives you that concealer vibe, but it gives you that, you know, a little bit more full coverage, but it's not really full coverage vibe. But I think it's going to be perfect for this particular foundation. I'm just tapping that out, talking to you guys. So far, I like what I see. Yes, that's doing it. Like, this is so beautiful and pretty. But it's not just me, right? Like, this is like the perfect foundation shade. This is stunning, like just beautiful stunning. I have no powder on. What do you guys think? Like, this is so beautiful, and it's not creasing on me terribly much, like under my eyes, like I'm talking to you guys. This is just gorgeous and glowy, and just, I really like this product. This is really amazing. Bobbi, girl, like, this is fantastic. I'll be right back. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after I powder. Okay, I'm not done powdering my face, but this looks so good. I just need to tell you guys. Like, honestly, this is pretty, like so pretty. I'm hoping that the camera is picking this up because you guys are going to be so impressed with this. I'm impressed with this, and you guys know I've been on a foundation journey for months, but this is pretty, like so pretty and weightless. Like, it just seems flawless. Like, I feel like I look flawless. Okay guys, I'm back. I've gone in, I have powdered my face. I went in with that Veil translucent powder from Hourglass. I powdered my face with my powder puff. I went in then with my Scott Barnes powder brush, my number 68 I believe it is, and I wiped off all that excess powder, and this is what I'm left with. Obviously I've gone in, I've done my brows, I put on some lip gloss. This Fenty lip gloss, this one right here, this is called Ruby Milk, and this is so cute. Love this. I went in, did my brows, put on some gloss, and this is the final look with this very luminous foundation. This is stunning. For me, I'm giving this gold stars, hands down. I think it's amazing and beautiful. Let's talk about it. Like, literally, like, that finish, right? So lifelike and dewy, and it's giving me that bronzed effect, you know, where I'm just like out of the sun, you know, she stepped out of the ocean, like she's, you know, just that life, that moisturized, luminous life. Like, this is everything going into January. Like, this is so good. Okay, so Bobbi Brown, honey, you did a great job. This is amazing. So this intensive skin serum foundation with an SPF of 40, I will let you guys know in a couple of weeks time how I like this foundation. I'll probably update you guys on Instagram. I'll try it out. We'll see if the SPF irritates my skin, because, you know, as girls, you know, SPF, it depends, right? Like, it just depends how your skin's going to react to it. Everyone's skin reacts differently, but this, I love the packaging. It's stunning. The glass, it's beautiful. I love the pump action. It's very sanitary. Loving it. And there's good weight to this. Like, I enjoy that. It feels very luxurious to me. You know, really love it. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Like, it's giving me everything it claimed to. Luxurious. It's giving me glowy. It's giving me that, you know, dew-like, you know, feeling, but it's not dewy. It's not sticky. I do have powder on, just to remind you guys. So, I mean, I'm sure you could go in, let it dry down without powder. I didn't. I did add powder. But seriously, this is so pretty, so beautiful, and stunning. You guys tell me what you guys think of this foundation in the comments down below. I would love to hear you guys' feedback and opinions on it. Don't forget about my huge giveaway. Yes, if you guys want to be entered into my amazing holiday giveaway to win one of these Artiste brush sets right up here, all you need to do is be subscribed to the channel and follow me on Instagram. Send me a message on Instagram with all 12 words of the day, and you'll be entered to win. Alright guys, remember, let me know what you think of this foundation. I want to hear it in the comments down below. And, you know, stay safe, stay well, and remember guys, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys. See you next time.